May 12, 2029. That is the exact date the last secure job disappears. You think I'm talking about factory workers? No, I'm talking about you. Do you feel it? That subtle pressure in the back of your mind when you open your email. That's not stress. That is obsolescence approaching. If you are under 45, you have likely spent your entire life preparing for a career that won't exist in 4 years. We are told to upskill, to learn to code, to be creative. But here is the pattern interrupt. The AI doesn't want to replace your hands. It wants to replace your mind. We looked at data from 127 countries currently simulating post-labor economies. The results? 80% of white-collar workers aren't displaced by robots. They are displaced by software that costs $20 a month. But that's not even the scary part. The scary part is what happens to your identity when your utility drops to zero. Everyone thinks the transition will take decades. AI predicts it happens in 18 months. This is the great decoupling. Look at this graph. See that gap? That's where your pension goes. AI models have run 14 million simulations of the global economy. In 13.9 million of them, the concept of earning a living collapses by 2030. Why? Because when intelligence is near free, human labor becomes a luxury item nobody wants to pay for. Doctors, lawyers, architects, the algorithm views you as slow data processing units. And here is the twist. The governments know this. They aren't hiding the unemployment numbers. They are hiding the solution. A leaked policy framework suggests they are preparing for a world where only 5% of the population works. The rest? You enter the universal basic life. This isn't universal basic income. Money is useless if there's nothing to buy. This is universal basic life. Imagine a world where your housing, food, transport, and digital entertainment are free. Automated. Perfect. The AI vision is seductive. No alarm clocks, no commute, no burnout. Just endless creative leisure facilitated by the very machines that took your job. The simulations show crime dropping by 90%. Depression vanishes. It looks like paradise. Remember that $20 software from earlier? In this future, it becomes your caretaker. It designs your day, curates your friends, and manages your health. But look closer at the simulation. In the fine print of this utopia, there is a condition. To access the universal basic life, you must surrender something specific. The condition is autonomy. In a world without work, your only job is to generate data. You become the product. The AI predicts that 99% of humans will accept this trade. They will choose comfort over freedom. So, the question isn't whether you will lose your job. That is guaranteed. The question is, when the invite to the universal basic life hits your inbox, will you accept the terms of service? Because the simulation showed one final terrifying thing about the people who refused. They didn't starve. They were just